some of you are having trouble with how to redeem your points, so I'm making this video. So simply enter your code, so right click on this and open an incognito window, okay? And then a pop-up will show which will ask you for your access code. This code is different from the referral code which was given to you at the time of filling the form. This code is mentioned in your mail at the second point. I won't be able to show you mine because it is unique and it isn't something I can share. So I'm going to pause the recording and fill that up here right now. So here you can see I put my um, secret code here and this kind of dashboard is open here. So you have to now sign in with your account. So this is sign in, and whichever account you made the ID from your Google Cloud Skill Boost ID, you have to sign in with that, the Google ID. Okay. So here I will do sign in with Google, and here you just normally sign in with your ID and password. I'm going to pause and do my login. So here you can see I have reached to this dashboard after logging in. Right now, these are my past credits, so don't look at them. Now what you have to do, you have to complete a lab. So it's a basic lab. So click on this. This is how you will get your 600 credits. Okay. So this is the lab. So you have to just simply start the lab. And this is kind of like you have to do these kind of labs only throughout these 2 months to earn credits. Okay. So see, every time you do perform a lab, it will give you a temporary ID and password. So you have to log in with that. So we will click here. Okay. एंड द साइन इन अब इसमें साइन इन कौन सा करना है जो यहाँ पे आईडीज अपने को प्रोवाइड हुई ठीक है पहले वाली जो अपनी आईडी है वो नहीं अपन ने उससे ऑलरेडी लॉग इन कर लिया है हियर यू कैन सी सो दैट इज डिफरेंट एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू यूज फॉर लैब्स एंड ये टेम्पररी होता है तो इसका आईडी पासवर्ड का इतना इशू नहीं होता है सो दिस इज हाउ माय गूगल क्लाउड console will open you just have to agree with any pop-ups that show up सबसे पहला टास्क अगर अपन देखें तो इसमें है यू हैव टू ठीक है ये सब अपन ने कर लिया फर्स्ट टास्क इज अपना this is if you want to you can बाकी not necessary सबसे पहले अपना रोल है grant and IAM role okay so we will simply go to Google Cloud here you can see IAM and admin okay so we will go here and IAM click on IAM then grant access okay see here everything is mentioned if you read everything is mentioned I'm not doing from here only grant access and new principal we have to add a new principal so just copy this and paste it here and assign a role. For assign a role, what we have to assign? Viewer. So copy this, select the role, paste here, viewer. This is done. Now click on save. And sometimes all the steps we are done from our side and it takes time to update. So don't worry, okay? After some time, check my progress will be green. Like the assessment complete. See, assessment complete. So if you are not able to do this, पहले तो इसको सही से करना है और wait for some time if it's not showing the Now first task is done. Second task देखो यहाँ पे 50% आ गया. Now what we have to do? Enable the dialog flow API. So for that we have to do what? अपन इधर जाएंगे and we will search API. Here see you can see APIs and services. Here you have to go to library and here you have to search for dialog flow API. So we will just copy and paste, enter. See, click on this and enable. This will also take some time, so let's wait. See here you can see it's processing and enable service dragon dialogflow API. If you come back here, this should give us progress. See, assessment done. If we do this, once you get 100 out of 100, you can proceed with end my lab. Before that, don't proceed with this and just submit. Okay. Now, if we refresh the page, it should give us 600 credits. See, I have total of 744 credits. First, पहले मेरे पास 144 ही थे. See, so I got 600 credits, and that's how you can also. Any doubts if you have still, you can ask on group. Thank you.